Aw, soon-to-be parents are so adorable, especially in the baby-proofing phase.
Oh yeah. That's not going anywhere.
Let's just hope you're stronger than the baby.
They may be overzealous about safety, but for the most part, they get it right. Like installing me. I'm the nursery smoke alarm.
Don't forget about me.
And that's the hallway smoke alarm. We keep this growing family safe by providing an early warning in the event of a fire. You may have 3 minutes or less to escape a home fire, so make sure you have working smoke alarms inside and outside every sleeping area.
I am exhausted. Think I can fit in here?
Oh, is it nap time already?
And don't forget to close before you doze.